Hey guys, techmadeezy, and guess what arrived? The 5000 CFM 20 mile an hour 18-inch misting fan. And yes, I know we all love a turbo button. This has a turbo button. Oh my God. Stay tuned. I'm going to unbox this. I'll go over all the key features. We'll take close looks. I'll show you some water coming out. Yes, it's winter. It's 30 degrees, so hopefully the water won't freeze. But let's get started. Hi, this is Al from techmadeezy with a really quick message. The video you're about to watch is sponsored. We received this product from the vendor. But keep in mind, we will be very honest with you as we review the product. That is very important to us. If you like our video, I sure hope you give us a thumbs up. I hope you share our video. And last, I really hope you subscribe and become a part of the family. Thank you. All right, I don't do a lot of unboxings, but this is one that I'm going to do. I'm going to zoom out as much as I can, and I will keep you involved as I unbox this so you can see what's inside, how it's packed, and if you don't want to, you can skip, all right? But there are some people out there that want to see an unboxing, and you know something? It's been a while since I have unboxed an Ego product. I didn't see a new model this year, which is okay. You know, I think manufacturers coming out with a new mower every year, I don't know. It might be a little insanity. Now, this does require assembly, so be aware of that. But we've got wheels, so let's just put some wheels aside. We've got a handle. Okay, we'll put a handle aside. We've got plenty of cardboard, so we'll recycle that. We've got the fan. Let's pull that up. Oh, everybody wanted some other products to use with their batteries, and we got it. All right, what else is in there? Where's the battery? Where's the charger? Wait, this does not come with a battery or a charger. Now, I'm not saying a kit won't come out at some point, but at this time, no battery and charger in this box. Let me clean this up. All right, so it's all unboxed. Now, before I go over what's included real quick, I will actually test all these batteries to see that they all fit up to the 10 amp, okay? I don't have a 12 amp battery, and when it comes out, we'll check one out. So you do get your wheels you have to assemble with the covers, some screws, and they give you an Allen key in here. You get an extra misting tip, it looks like, because you've got 4 misting tips. We get a booklet and some warranty information. We'll figure out what the warranty is. I'll find that out. And then you get your handle. And yeah, so let me put this together. After I do it, I will go over what I needed, what I did, just so you know, okay? And I'll be right back. So the wheels go on real easy, to be honest with you. You just take a washer and a screw, and you put it in here. And you just turn it manually for a second. Okay. You screw it on. After you screw it on, you just take this here and you put them in the 2 holes. And that should snap right in. Okay. Now you're going to put your handle on top. You've got screw holes here and screw holes here. Now make sure when you're putting the handle on that there's one side that's got a little nipple and this side's got the extra hole. So this goes on this side. If you try it on the other side, it won't work. All right, we're going to take a close look and go over some features. But all assembly was 2 screws on this side of the handle, 2 screws on this side of the handle, 1 screw for each wheel with a cap. And you're done. That's your assembly, okay? Now let's take a look at the left side of the unit real quick. This is the tension knob for you to adjust the fan, okay? If you want it down, if you want it up. So you just adjust the tension, lock it in place, and the thing won't move. It's really cool. The handle, as you can see, you can carry it using this handle, or you can actually, and let me zoom out a little bit more, you can actually lift this up and just start walking, right? Because it's got the telescopic handle, which is nice. So you can take this with you anywhere. And the battery weight is on the top, which is cool. So that should make a big difference there. Position, you can have it in this position, or you can simply have it sitting up. It does have rubber on the bottom here to hold the unit up. So if you wanted it to sit that way, it could stay that way as well. So you've got two positions that you can put it in. Let's take a quick look at the controls. So as you can see on the control panel, your battery compartment's right here. Open it up, and we can easily fit a 2 amp hour battery. We can easily fit a 5 amp hour battery. Locks in place. Can we fit a 7.5 amp hour? Of course we can. So again, a little heavier on the hand, but boom, locks in place. And a 10 amp hour battery. Will that fit? Well, this is the test. 10 amp hour battery, and it has room. That probably means a 12 amp hour battery will fit in this. Now, the handle has a stiff mechanism. It drops to stay open, which is convenient, and then clicks in place. So it requires some pulling in order for you to open it up. So I like that. Now, controls, let's turn on the power for a second. And I've got it set at the lowest level. If I go ahead and raise the level, 2, 3, 4, 5, turbo. That is your 5,000 CFM. Okay, put it back on, lower it all the way down. Now here is your control for intermittent or continuous water coming out of the misters. Now, intermittent is the best bet, you know, just to kind of like save water. It does the job. Continuous will use more water. All right, so let's turn this off for a second and look at the back of the unit, and you'll see that the water tube comes out. It is clipped in here, clipped in here. It has another clip here, and then it comes out here. And when you need it, you pull it out and you simply put this in a bottle or a tank of water. And it's got a little filter, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, this is pretty nice. I like the way they arranged the tube. This is a metal frame. The wheels, we put those on pretty quick, but I don't think they're ball bearing, I'll be honest with you. They look like regular Ego wheels, but you know, they just have the Ego logo, and they are some plastic, you know, just flexible plastic here. All right, so that is, I think, a really good look at this unit. And there are your misters, by the way, and we've got the 4 misters, 1, 2, 3, 4. The misters usually always need a misses. Now, as far as just a couple more features, so this fan actually has 2 times more airflow than a standard 20-inch box fan. It'll run up to 60 hours on a 5 amp hour battery on the lowest setting. So that's good to know. It has 5 air speeds. You saw that. And they go from 1,500 CFM all the way to 5,000. We talked already about the 2 modes for the misting, intermittent, and continuous. All right, 4 misting nozzles here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This can cover about 540 square feet as far as an area is concerned. And this weighs 22.9 pounds. And I'll come back with you on the warranty and put it right up in this corner so you know what warranty you're getting. Again, this came with no battery, and it came with no charger. I'll put the model number up here as well for this guy. All right, guys, it's all set up here. I got Brooklyn. She's going to be my guinea pig. She's a great dog. She won't get upset. But now let's take this and put it in the water. So it's nice and deep as it can be. There you go. All right, now we're going to turn the fan on initially, and then we'll do some misting. So we're going to turn it on. And we are on setting number 2. Number 3, stay. 4. And 5. And she feels the wind now. Little turbo. All right, now we're going to go ahead, kind of put it on 3, and we're going to turn the mister on now. It's going to suck the water through. All right. It's going to take a moment. All right. It's making a sound. And it's misting. Oh, man, she likes that, actually. It is misting. Now, if I hit this again, I think it's continuous. Well, actually, okay, wait. That was continuous. This is intermittent. All right, so that's 2. That's consistent. This is intermittent. I just turned it on intermittent. So 1 is intermittent. Let's just see real quick. All right, it's on for a moment, and then it'll probably stop. Yep, there it goes. So it just off and on. Intermittent. Let's see. Let's see. There you go. All right, and Brooklyn's being a champion, by the way. She's actually being a champion. All right, and so that's intermittent, as you can see. And constant. Okay, go up, go up. And this is continuous. So it's just going to keep spraying. It's going to keep spraying. Right? We've got a good bucket of water in here. And it's just going to keep spraying. That's it. If you really need all 4, you can't really say 2 or 1. It's using all 4 nozzles. And it's spraying. Pretty cool, huh? Finally got an Ego product I can use my other batteries. Got a bucket of water, and I am just misting, man. I am misting. And yeah, water's still there. You know, misting doesn't use a lot of water. Battery is full. Now, turn on the fan even more. And yeah, it definitely throws it further. Might be hard to see, but definitely throws it further. If I go ahead and lower it, then, you know, it's not too different. The fan helps it. Still pretty far considering. Right? And if I turn the fan on high, and let's turn it on turbo. High and turbo. It's a little bit more. A little bit more. Is that cool or what? And again, don't forget you can change the angle. Loosen that up and adjust your angle. And it's misting up. One thing I like about the design after using it as a misting fan is the tube, after you drain most of it and you put it in this, setting here and you lock it in, it won't leak. So Ego, really thinks about a lot of the little details. I like the clips that you have on here, right? So you've got 1 clip, 2 clips, 3 clips, and then you got a 4th and a 5th. But I like that it hangs up in the direction where it won't leak. Again, little details about Ego. All right, guys. Well, first of all, thanks to Ego for sending us the product. Again, we don't get much. We're a small channel. We're growing, which is really cool. And we got a lot of Ego fans on the channel. So if you enjoyed the video and it was helpful, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. Really, this helps the channel. And share the video. Go ahead and, share that video. And subscribe if you're not a member of the family. And we'll have more to come. Thank you so much for your time. You guys have a great day. Hey guys, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. As you can see, Brooklyn, she's waving her tail for you. Take a moment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and you'll get notified of new videos we come out with. Also, follow us and contact us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.